Welcome again to this platform, the mighty YouTube platform, where we'll learn many good things and new things. So today I'm going to teach you about the errors in Microsoft Excel. So if you've been doing things and they don't come out, just know they are going to be rectified. So let's open up our Microsoft Excel. We see some of the errors. So let me create something small here. Maybe if I can put some name, can put something, can put maybe thing here. Let me put some math, then I can put this, can put that, maybe let me put chemistry, put that, maybe that. Let me also put maybe biology, can put that, then I can put also that. So the first error, we are going to see this first error for hashes. You see this error. This error means that what is in this box, this number is too large, very large. It can't fit into this cell. So how to rectify it? It is just to increase the space. So when you're increasing the space, you have this plus sign. You increase the space, until it shows you, meaning even still lacking. So we have to increase the space so that it comes into just figures. That was one error. So another error, when I have something like, let me put here, is equals to, maybe if I said this cell, then I divide it by, this one, this cell, I divide it by a 0, then I enter. You see, there is also this error. It is saying this hash divide or 0. It means that any number you divide by 0, it can't exist. So you're supposed to rectify it. And how do you rectify it? Just be knowing at the back of your mind that any number you divide by 0 is impossible. So there is no any number you divide by a 0. So another error, so you be getting up, you be mastering all the errors. So another error, let me say, is equals to, maybe I get that cell, I multiply it by maybe this cell, then I enter. So this is also another error. This error, it is telling us that there is nothing. Remember, I multiplied this cell, and this cell is a name, and this one is a number. You can't multiply a number and a name and you get a value. It is very impossible. So to rectify it, you're supposed to get, maybe if you made a mistake, it is always, multiplication is always just between numbers or letters, but it can't be a name and a letter. Instead, you would have said maybe is equals to this cell, then you multiply it by this cell, then you would get the answer as 15,080. That would be the real value on how to do it. Then another error is, let me use some if function. I said this, you see what he has brought. This one is also an error. It means that the function or the formula you're using is very wrong. See what you did here. You see here, it is showing us the if. It is equals, meaning that the method I've used, it has not prolonged, or it is incomplete. That is the right way. Meaning that what I've placed here as my formula is very incorrect. So to rectify it, you are supposed to put the if function, you open it, then here that's showing the logical test. Maybe if it was this, then you enter the true value, and then the false value, then you enter. So that is also another error. So there is also this one, hash null. What does it mean? Hash null is also an error in Excel. It means that the formula you placed does not exist completely. You've just forged it, meaning that if you meaning that you forged the values, so it does not exist what completely. Then there is also this error, which is shift num. Shift num, it explains this occurs when the formula contains invalid numerical data or calculations, meaning that what you placed in this formula, you fix some commas or multiplications or subtractions, the operations which are not necessary. So you're supposed to rectify it and first check through if the formula you've placed is correct. So thank you for listening. Just subscribe and like. And next time I'll come and teach you more and more applications of Excel.